This 2017 Holiday Rambler Admiral Z30P is a Class A RV. It is located in Clyde, Ohio, 43410 and is offered for sale by Town & Country RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Holiday Rambler is 30 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 8 and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A RV features bunk over cab, rear bath, rear bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Town & Country RV.